So we're on the beach now. Beautiful sounds of the ocean. And we're going to follow Kirk basically. Again, this is a little bit of the behind the scenes. Don't forget to subscribe and please like and comment and always share. So this is early September, so just to give you guys a sort of frame of the weather and the busyness. So if you're thinking of getting a little bit of sun before it turns into an icebox in the UK, then I think this is a really nice location. I know a lot of people go to Spain or the Canaries, which is probably my all-time favourite destination. But below what your favourite destination is, especially let's just say for autumn and winter. If you're a sun seeker, you want a little bit of heat, where are you guys going? What do you want to do? Where do you go? Where do you suggest? Have you found any really cheap bargains? Any little tip? Really recommend. One thing I will say is because you have to fly into Faro, into Albufeira, it does cost quite a lot from the airport. So try and organise a shuttle, or if you're going in group. It's the only thing I'll say, especially where we have a late flight. The taxis charge a little bit more of a premium in the evening. Another place I really enjoy is Barcelona. Just with the trains and the buses, I think are really, the experiences I've had are really good there. When you go, the airport is exactly in the heart of the city, so that can be expected. And abrigado is thank you. Where we was just in Spain, I keep speaking Spanish. I'm having to remind myself I'm not actually in Spain. Like I said, it's been a couple of days, so I'm adjusting. And also comment below if it takes you a while to adjust after you get off the plane. For me this time, my nose and skin was so dry, really dry. I mean, it always is because the aircon, and obviously that's what you expect. But really, making me still feel a bit in the plane, in the airport. I feel like it needs to be incubated, moisturiser, and just spritz every 2 seconds. What's the worst part about travelling? Mine would probably be just how long the travel day is. You kind of have to pack that in now, even if it is only a 2-3 hour flight or under. But getting to the airport, waiting at the airport, then getting on the plane, the transfer, seat at the hotel to your hotel, check-in times, which I'm starting to notice getting a little bit later. Again, comment if you agree. So yes, straight ahead is still Kurt doing the beautiful 360s that I did earlier, and then lots of content, which is a bit fucking dumber, but whatever. If I sound out for it, it's because I'm walking along the beach, and it's not the most comfiest thing to do because I'm wearing trainers, not my flip-flops. Make sure you subscribe and like, and again, if you want different content, if there's things that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. We love to get feedback, and like I said, we are a small channel, and we are trying to grow and really decide where we want the channel to go. So we've got Gwan, which shows more about us, what we get up to on these walking tours, and then you've got Gwan tours, which is literally beach, promenades, cities, the nightlife, everything sort of in between. But it's just that first stage, dual nitty and gritty, or Gwan, I should say. So we're now basically, if I've got my bearings right, which usually I don't, again, I'll put in the description where we are, name of the beach, link the equipment, etc. And again, if you do want to see any other videos, we have got videos of our previous visits when we came to Albufeira. So that's got some great content. If you want to check those out, visit the channel. And don't forget to subscribe, share. So there's a little viewing point down here, so we're just going to go and check it out. You've got like a little fun zone over there. We were debating whether or not to do it, but we decided it's probably going to be a lot more effort than we have in us. So up there is a really pretty point. That's where we started off this morning. You've got like a little lighthouse. That's where we just came from. You guys can see the little point. It's really, really nice, gorgeous day. We are heading off to Spain tomorrow, so I'm a little bit like, bye Portugal. It always goes so quick when we come to Albufeira. We have such a good time and create such good memories that it's definitely a revisit. It's definitely a keeper. So don't forget to subscribe and share, and if you have any comments, please let me know in the below. And remember, we do have Gwan tours if you want to see the actual areas, and then we have on Raw, which gives you a little bit more of the behind the scenes, what we do day to day, a few like reviews. It's got a little bit of a mixture of everything, so there's something for everyone. And let us know if there's anything else you think we can do. Like I said, both channels are really new. We're trying to sort of grow and get better. Again, we'll share equipment that we're using if you are interested in what we do, what we use. or are thinking about doing the same thing, then let us know and we can obviously do that. We are going to do a few reviews on the equipment actually as well, just to show what we like and what we don't like.
Oh, it's quite scary.
Let me just show you. I don't know, people always reminds me of when you're at a pier and you've got the water, you're walking along and you feel like you could drop into the ocean, but you don't. Not really bad at the pipe. This morning I had a little bit of a wobbly moment going up the escalators up there, and I did not suffer from vertigo. Right, he's on the next bit of the beach, so I'm going to go follow him. So just a little step. I'm going to walk down to the water. Okay, it's easier for me to walk on. In terms of beaches, I've done so many. There's some real beautiful beaches out there, and then there's some that these are really pretty. If you do and you're a beach person, these beaches are really lovely. I think you'll definitely spot for choice. Like I said, now in Old Town, Newtown had beaches as well. You've got like the hotels and everything. These that you can hire out as well. They're so much fun. You've got slides, you can go in the ocean. There's a big point down there. I don't know if you can see in the distance. It's another like viewpoint. It's really nice down there as well. Feels a little bit smaller. There's a pirate boat over there as well. We haven't actually ever done a boat together, so that's something we might look at doing. Tonight's plan is, because it's our last night in Albufeira, we're going to treat ourselves to a nice meal. That was really nice. We like sushi as well, so sometimes we get sushi. I really like fish. We had monkfish. I think it was along with one of those bars. Oh, don't get that. It was like a swinging kebab, and it was a monkfish one, and it was absolutely gorgeous. So monkfish, something like that, on a salmon gala. Nice to see that salmon. We both don't eat meat, so that kind of limits our options. Some places are really good, but if you're a meat eater, Portugal has some amazing all-you-can-eat meat restaurants, like phenomenal. It's really good for that. So I think being Portugal is a thumbs up for me. You really are spoiled for choice, and they've got the normal fish and chips, pizza, Italian, if you like a kebab, standard. I'm gonna starve. One thing I have noticed actually whilst I'm here, and I think there is McDonald's, but I haven't seen it. There's not like a Burger King, McDonald's, KFC, like eat places everywhere you go. A lot of places, especially like the touristy places, you're obviously, there's going to be a McDonald's, there's going to be a Burger King, and a KFC. I couldn't tell you where the McDonald's is, but there is one. So if you are like a diehard McDonald's and that's what you need, they do have the essentials. By the way, quite cool. Didn't bring my towel. I have got my bikini on, so I might have to go for an evening swim. It would be great. Because now behind us, because he was talking to someone, and I overtook him up the areas in Seashore. Looking fantastic. That waves are amazing. I'm going to hit back because I feel like I'm going to get empty. Right, I'm going to stop the camera now because it's getting really hot and I'm going to want to sit down and chill. And again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We really do want feedback, and don't forget to check out our other channel as well. You can also find us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. All the links will be below. Have a great day.